Hey everyone, welcome back to Hurricane Web. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a beautiful and smooth onboarding screen in React Native using React Native Onboarding Swiper. So here I have opened my VS Code and Android Studio emulator on my device. So first of all, we need to install this package. For create a new React Native project, I will upload the document and source code on my GitHub and will add the link in the description below. So let's copy it and paste it here. Instead of my f, you can give any f name, so hit enter. So here we can see that our first command is complete, and then we need to go to our app directory. So we need to type cd my app. So you guys should type your app name. So now we are on our app directory. So here instead of app.tsx we will use app.jsx. So rename it, and then just clean everything here and just type rnfe and save it. So after that we need to install those packages. We'll use npm install react native onboarding swiper or swipe the screen on onboarding page. So copy it and paste it here. After that we need to install React navigation for navigate through pages or screens. So Ctrl C, Ctrl B and hit enter. After that we need to install these packages. I have React Native screens, React Native shape area context, gesture handler and React Native vector icons. So copy it, paste it here and hit enter. Okay, so we have installed all the required packages for our project. Then our file structure will be like this. In our screens folder there will be 3 screens. Those are onboarding screen, sign in screen and sign up screen. And also we will have routes folder where we will have auth stack, which will be our route page for routing the pages and screens. So in our app, first create a folder called as source src, and then inside source we'll create a assets folder for keep our assets, and then inside source folder we also will keep a screens folder for our screens, and then we also will create another folder which will be routes. Now inside our routes folder we'll create a file which is called auth stack for route the pages or screens, authstack.js. And for now we just build basic layout, later we'll modify it. Save it, and then in our screens folder we'll create onboarding screen, sign in screen and sign up screen. So let's build those. First we'll create onboarding screen .js, and then sign in screen, and then sign up screen. Okay, so our file structure already built. Then in our app.jsx we will call our auth stack. So here we will use navigation container instead of view. So we need to type navigation container, which will come from React navigation native. And then here we need to use auth stack, our phase route. So we need to type auth stack, which will come from source routes auth stack, and close the tag. So save it, and then now we will code inside our auth stack. So here we need to type const stack equal create native stack navigator. So create native stack navigator, which will come from React navigation native. And then here we need to type stack dot navigator, then initial route name, and that will be onboarding. And then screen options will be header shown false, and then we will close the tag stack dot screen, then name will be onboarding, and then component will be onboarding screen, and then close our tag, and it will come from screens onboarding screen. So we need to copy it more 2 times, so Control D, and here we will use sign in, and it will come from sign in screen. And then here we need to use sign up, and it will come from sign up screen. So our auth stack also complete. Save it. Now we will modify our sign in and sign up screen. So here we need to type const navigation equal use navigation, and it will come from React navigation native. And then here we need to type view style flex1 justify content center, and then align items also will be center. And then here we need to type sign in screen, that's okay. And then we need to type button, which will come from React Native. And then here our title will be go to sign up, and then here we'll use onPhrase equal function navigation.navigate, and here we will use sign up, and then we'll close the tag. So our sign in screen complete. Let's modify our sign up screen. So we need to copy it and paste it here, and here also it will come from React navigation native. And then we also can copy this and paste it here, and here button will come from React Native, and then here will be sign in. So our sign up screen also complete. Now we will modify our onboarding screen, and this is the last part of the code. So here we need to type const navigation equal use navigation, which will come from React Navigation Native, and then we need to type onboarding, which will come from React Native Swiper. So we need to import onboarding from React Native onboarding-swiper. Close the tag. Now here we need to add onSkip equal function navigation.replace, and it will be sign up. And on done, that also will be same. After that you need to type pages equal, here we'll create an array and there will be some object. Here we'll create an array with 3 objects. So here we need to type background color, which will be white, and then for our onboarding I have selected 3 images, so I'll copy it and will add it in my project. You guys can select your own images. Let's copy it and paste it inside our project source assets folder inside. So here we need to type image, which will come from React Native, and then source equal require dot slash assets, and then bart1.png, and then close the tag. After that, here our title will be welcome, and then our subtitle will be this is a beautiful onboarding screen. So our first object is complete. Let's copy it more 2 times. Now here we'll use our second image bart2.png, and here title will be sign in first, and subtitle will be easy sign in and sign up flow. After that, here we will use bart3 png image, and here title will be get started. and subtitle will be let's get started now. Here we need to give a style for our image. So here we need to type style equal width will be 250 and height will be 330. So copy it and paste it in our other two object. And also we will change the color of second and third onboarding screen. So this color will be FDEB93 and the last color will be E9BC and then BE. So save it. Okay, so our codes are completed. So let's run the project. npm run android. So here we can see that our app is running on Android Studio emulator successfully. So here we can see welcome screen, and this is a beautiful onboarding screen. And then if we slide, we can see sign in first, easy sign in and sign up flow, our second onboarding screen. And then this is our third onboarding screen, that is get started. Let's get started now. So now here we created three objects, three screens in our onboarding page. This image is coming from our first page screen, and then there would show the second one and there would show the third one, and you guys can add your own image and then can style it with your needed width and height, and also can you guys edit the title and subtitles. So now here if I click on skip, it will show us the sign up screen, or if I click on next and then next, and if I click here also, it will show our on done sign up screen. So right now if I click on the done screen, so here we can see our sign up screen, and if we click on go to sign in, it go to our sign in screen, and then if we click again go to sign up, it's come to our sign up screen. So if we reload again with Ctrl D and then click on reload, so this is our beautiful onboarding screen. You guys also can adjust background color as you guys like. So that's all for today. In the next video we will learn how to integrate sign in and sign up authentication. So I hope you guys like the video. If you guys like the video, please like, share and subscribe, and if you guys have any query, you guys can comment it in the comment box. I will try to reply as soon as possible. Thank you everyone.
Islam is my deen.